beautiful people. Hi guys. Me no swag. You no sexy. Hello my beautiful people. Good afternoon, good day, good morning from my side, wherever you're gonna come across my video from. Hi guys, my name is Oduagbon. It remains Oduagbon Reality Worldwide. I don't need to introduce myself twice anymore. You guys, as you all know, you followed my page, you know the name already. That's my name. Oduagbon Reality Worldwide, guys. Good morning from my side, good afternoon, good day, wherever they're going to come across my video from. As you all know, I just thank you all for following my page, for liking. Please do help me share, comment, leave your comment. Do help me always share. I hope everyone that is following me is not ghost. No one is ghost inside. Please share for me. If you are not a ghost, share. If you are not a ghost, click like. Always. I not go use notification. I not go to say go. May you let her go meet Vera. I beg. And that one just in my tongue to talk. Hey, my only devil still in your mawala. Wa game me a sick in the verage. Yeah, what we went on. Share, always let me share, always let me comment. You know, leave your comments. It's not by force. I'm not forcing anyone, but always we are here to learn together. We are here to do things together. Normally in this page, where I showcase my business, I said I'm not going to be doing topic here, but I have started bringing my topic here. I'll be taking it to my YouTube also. As you all know, I'm on YouTube. I have a lot of message there on my YouTube. Just go down to my page, scroll down, you will see what I'm showcasing for my business, and you will see my YouTube link. In case you don't know the YouTube name, it's the same name with my page, Oduagbon Reality Worldwide. Click on Google, you will go there direct, or click on YouTube. You go there direct on my YouTube. So guys, I have a topic. This topic has been disturbing me even then when I never born. I say, okay, if I don't born, bring her. Because this thing I need to, and for my own opinion, I need to give it out. Because it seems that people don't really know what is reputation and dignity and self-value. I need to bring my own opinion here so we learn together. If you know my opinion is not good enough for you, don't just worry, leave your comment. I will learn from you too. We are here to learn together. So these three things are the same thing. They are similar. Similars in name. But they are same thing, but they are different in name. It's just like pride, and a fake. Those three things. When you say fake, pride. When you say pride, fake, and proud. When someone is big proud, and someone has pride, someone is fake. Those three things are same, but they are different name. They are not just same, but they are similar. They are very, very close, similar. They are common in the same things. When you say someone is fake, it's same thing. The character that will go along with it is pride and proud. Anyone that is fake, just look at them. They will be proud, and they will be so having pride, like pride are too much, and they will have proudness too. Even here we are here to pay with a proudness or that's same. That three things are working together. So these three things also, when I mean pride, when I mean dignity, when I mean dignity, self-value, and reputation, these three things, they are same. They are like same, and they are common in same lane. You see them in same street market, yes. Or I'm on Delhi street market, like they will just be in the same lane like this. They are not divided, but they are same different name. Dignity, self-value, and the reputation. They are almost different, but they are different name. See how I explain it? So my own opinion, what I understand about those three things, what I understand about those three things, I'm going to explain it here because these things people are really confused with it. This, especially this reputation, that number one. People are really confused about it. Especially people that use that thing for their self. I have my reputation. I have my value. I have my dignity to protect. I have my self-value to protect. I don't want to mingle with low life people. There's nobody, excuse me, nobody is low life. Yeah, when you want to become a low life, that is when you think like you have you have this character of low self esteem. You don't have confidence in the exactly. I always like that word, confidence. You don't have confidence of yourself. That is when people now refer you as low life. Normally, there's no low life. But when you lost your confidence, when you are in the midst of people or you are standing before the camera as I'm doing now, you can't even express yourself. Before you have not stand before the camera, you can talk. But when you just stand before the camera, you just like fall down. It's like that is self. You don't have self-confidence. You don't have that self like boldness in you. You are not bold. You are not a bold person. Normally, if you are not a bold person, you don't refer people like that as low life esteem. But people now refer them that they are low life. So let's forget about that. I'm not here to explain what low life is. I'm here to explain what dignity and self-value and reputation is. Because these days, people, believe me, my lovely people, these days, people now take reputation. Don't look at my shape now. I'm very big now. I'm fat now. I'm a little big. I had weight. Hey, it's 2 weeks now. I gave birth. 2 weeks, I'll be 3 weeks. It's not up to 3 weeks. At least it's 2 weeks plus. So I'm supposed to be like this. If I don't be like this, we should say, ah. So I be like this, man. I see breast, milk, give baby. Later, I will come back to my station. Don't bother about my shape now. So just look at what I'm saying. That's listen to what I'm saying. Sorry, and learn from it. We're here to learn together. Reputation nowadays, people now take it like is just like a name. People take reputation, dignity, and value, self-value as a name now. It's not a name. You earn it. You have to, it's just like the way you earn respect. Say respect is a reciprocal. You earn respect. If you give me, I give you, no respect be. That is how reputation is. Reputation, you earn it. It's not a name. It's not a title. You see it, people see it these days as a title. I have my reputation. I have my reputation. I have my reputation. People see reputation, self-value, dignity as name. You think his name? Really? No. It's not a title, my dear. You can't use it as a title. You ain't. When you are working towards a good reputation, people seeing you in and out of your life, they will say, they will be the one to recommend you for it. They will be the one to hire you. You don't just need to go to people like, I believe like Dangote now. Dangote cannot go to any musician to say, sing with my name. I believe like Cristiano Ronaldo, he cannot go to anybody to say, do advert on my name. No. People come to him to do the needful, to plead. Say, please, I want to use your name. That is what reputation is. Your name, what you have worked for in your life. Your inner life, your character, your attitude of living in life. Like the way you live your life, the way you and your family, your household live your own life, that people see, this person is too much. I know this, I never see him for another ground, but the kind of life when I hear say they live, this person I beg is worth knowing. This person is worth mingling with. People will want to see you, to mingle with you. That is what I know about reputation. But these days, people take it as a name. I have reputation to protect. I have it to build. You have it to build, but when your life is full of dirty, your inner life especially. Did you know people keep their inner life like, yes, they're not supposed to bring their inner life out, but if you have conscience, you're supposed to be, your mind supposed to judge you. See, I'm not really due for this reputation. I don't deserve to say I have reputation, because your reputation is supposed to be your inside life. Not your inner and outside life, but your inner life first. Have reputation in between your children, in between your husband, your wife, before you take it outside. Yes. I know what I'm saying. Your people, it's just like people that is saying about reputation. Inside, let me quickly make this parable in Benin. It's not all about, reputation is not all about when you put on white. You see, as you can see, this white here now. This is blue and white, light blue and white. When you put on white like snow, you go outside. But mistakenly, people is coming to your home with you when you are coming from outside. Like, you are not expecting people to follow you back home. But people now decide that you just jam someone that you cannot reject not to come with you home. And you manage to bring that person home. When that person enter, firstly you open door for the person to go inside your house. You see the kind of breeze of dirty or like smelling. Somehow, Okma, plate that you have not washed for decades is there. Everywhere is dirty. And the smell will just come when the person wants to enter your house. Do you have reputation there? The person would not just, in that person's mind, he will just first say, inside his mind, because he can never say it out. But inside the person's mind, we just see, is it the kind of life this person is living? This particular lady or this woman or this man, is this kind of life they are living? Him and his wife, or she and his wife, his husband. Inside his mind, he could first say, no be this kind of person will just dey praise. No be this kind of person will just dey carry higher. So inside the house, na so smelly, dirty. Go first enter the house. You know, house will never enter before. You first come you stretch neck, look there, stretch neck, look here. You come view everywhere. You come say, So now this person just they come, they carry itself outside. With that, your reputation that you are protecting outside, because you don't start it from your home, is dead. Your reputation is dead because your home is you start your reputation from home before taking it outside. That is the message. In personal of your life, your own life, start your reputation there. Don't let your lifestyle to be dirty. Don't let your life, your inner life, your own life with your children, with your husband, or you as a single mother, your own life is so dirty, and you went out there to give money to musicians to sing with your name, and you come and say you have reputation because anyway, musician, you now think I have reputation when inside your life is so dirty as I don't know. As Ekiosa Market, some place in Ekiosa Market is so dirty. Your lifestyle is like that. And you are talking about reputation. Your own lifestyle is your reputation. If you don't know people, I keep on confused. People keep on confusing. They don't know what is reputation. People keep on talking about reputation when they don't know what is reputation. Go and study about it before I come to talk this topic. Since I have this topic in my mind, because I was pregnant, I just want to display the way I am now, to stand and say it. I don't want to be sitting down in that rolling chair. No, I just say, no, let me keep this topic. Yes, I'm to die. I will say it the way it is. Reputation starts from your own life. It starts from your personal, your children's life, your husband's life, if you have a husband, if you as a single mother, from your children and your own life. As a husband and wife, it starts from your own household life before you take it outside. You see the way I explain it now. You are just outside. You don't expect person to follow you home. And you were dressed like a gumba outside. You were dressed like an angel outside. And when you never expect someone will follow you home, that person to follow you back home, just like you can't escape that person and you choose to take it home. When it gets to your home, all your house is like a betico. A dustbin where people cannot even breathe, and the person will not see you. You think that reputation that person hold for you outside, it will still hold it for you and ever again? Never. And it will take that thing he saw in your personal life outside to make people think, to let people know that you don't earn reputation, that you don't deserve it. That is when people will not call you fake person, because the reputation didn't start from your own life. You are just taking it outside, paying people to sing with your name, looking for blogger to blog you, looking for attention everywhere. Because especially this our Baba Gida people, when they now dress, especially these days, gets to Instagram, where people will now dress, be doing selfie, for 2 minutes selfie. In their personal life, there's no reputation there. My dear people, I'm saying this for you not to go and homai and die. Let me put that English like that. I decide to put it like that. Hey, ya homai and die. That's why I'm bringing this topic. Don't be saying, hey, distance again. This person I'm seeing from distance, he's so on a reputation. He's so better than me. He's so big. He has this name that I don't know when to achieve this name. I don't know when to hand this name. This name is so big. God, his name is everywhere. God, where will my name be there? Don't go and be like that too. Your name, if God said your name will be popular, it will come slowly. And you are not going to be the one to take your name higher, because the name you make with money will always go down like this. Make a name and make reputation with your self-lifestyle. Let people know that, wow. Let your decency. Don't go and be proving decent outside. Decent in your life. Some married women prove decent outside. But inside there, married indeed. I make an example. Some men to be proving are too good. I know they cheat, I know they do this one, I know that just be responsible man. But inside their life, inside them, in their life, that's why I talk about it. Some men will come out, hey, don't do this to your wife. But inside their life, because they want to earn reputation outside. They want to gain name outside. But inside them, in their life they are living, the kind of lifestyle they are living, that's why I talk about it. You know. So let your reputation, and always know that reputation is inside. Start from your inside life. Start from your personal life. Start from your household before you take it outside. Even just like the way I make reference with what's it called? This our superstar, Cristiano Ronaldo. There was once in a time, this guy Davido sing with he be like Rolando. You know, he sing a song like that with Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo didn't beg for it. A superstar that we all know, small boy like Davido, that we all like. Hey, Davido is too much for our own country, Nigeria, where I come from. Davido na big star. You will agree with me for that. Davido can never come and see you and sing with your name, except you beg or you pay him for it. But This guy never beg, and he's even a foreign person. He's not from Africa. He never beg for it. Because David don't see him that he earned it. He deserves it. That's reputation for you. I know that inside that life, inside life of that person might still be dirty, but fine, at least he never begged for it. That's what I mean. In as much your life inside and outside your life is dirty, don't beg for reputation. Don't beg. Don't think that reputation is a name that you have to carry. Who reputation help? Somehow we help. Be yourself. Let your character, your dignity, speak for you. Dignity inside you, not outside. Your dignity is supposed to be inside your life. What you don't like, what you think that is not good for you to do outside, don't do it inside. That is supposed to be, that is how your dignity is supposed to be. That thing you know that is not really good for you to do outside, because it's outside, you do like a saint. I don't want to do this thing outside so that they will not say I'm useless. I don't want to become a talkative on Facebook, because so that they will not group me to people that is just misusing Facebook. I don't want I don't want someone there with me mercilessly. I don't need to reply because I have a reputation. Because I don't want people to think I'm not low life. I don't want people to think that because of that you die in silence. Because you want to keep and inside you, inside your personal life and your own home, before your husband or your wife talk, or before anybody talk to you inside your home, when the camera is not there, when the thing is not going to come out, the kind of or the kind of way you will react. But when it's not outside, where you're supposed to stand to self-defense, to defend your own life, or when you're supposed to say, no, I can't take this anymore. You not claim you have reputation. Shopping up my house. You know what? Shopping up my house. Yes. You not claim you have a reputation. Is that reputation? That thing you cannot, that thing you do inside your house, when you get to outside, no. Somehow we character, somehow you can't keep it anymore. People will still know who you are. People will still think like people, and when they know who you are, they will not call you fake person. Because you can only keep it for a while, for some people, not for all. So reputation is you earn it. Don't buy it with money. That's what I mean. Don't take reputation as a title. Don't go and be carrying BP because you said you have a reputation. Speak for yourself when it's really due for you to speak up. And reputation, the main important topic, the main important message I'm giving out is reputation is start from your lifestyles. Your lifestyle is your reputation. The kind of life you are living. That is when people will not say, or you will not say, I have reputation. Like someone that is being brought up with respect, then the day he will decide to say, I have this respect for the whole world, and two, that's I don't have character of insultive or insulting anybody. I can't insult. I don't use words of insult. I'm not talking to myself. I'm explaining. When you not say you are not good at insulting any person. You can't even throw out insult from your mouth, because that is the way you were brought up. If really that's the way you are brought up, that you are not pretending. So you have a reputation in that. People will not see you with that. Like, Ohana, Ohona. You know, that when they start talking about the good side of your life, that is your reputation. And you don't want to stay in it because it's your lifestyle, you cannot stay in it. When you are really born with it, you can't stay in it. You can't deviate from it like, respect on my respect. You can't deviate from it. You can't go this way because you were born with it. But in a situation that you are pretending to have a reputation of something, carrying yourself like, but really, honestly, that is not, it is not for Locon. It's not for Locon. You guys were so laughing this topic. Yes, why I can do topic and make it as fun. We are not here to fight. It's not for Locon. And you said you have a reputation. You pretend to bring it out, but inside your life. That's what I mean in this particular message. It's a message, not a topic. I sent this message to anybody that wished to listen to it. If not the whole world, but anyone that wished to listen to it. Reputation is a lifestyle, not a name. Your lifestyle is your reputation. You earn it. You deserve it. You can be born with it. It's your lifestyle that you are born with. The way you are living your own lifestyle, or the way you correct yourself, the way you deal with your lifestyle. You see someone when they say, this person is my mentor. This person is my... Before you start using people as your mentor, especially when you don't know them in a close, be careful. Before you start using people as your mentor, when you don't know them, you just see them from afar. You say, this person is my mentor. I supposed to be like this now. Because I don't feel be like this and I don't know when to reach like this. Let me use this person as my mentor. Be careful. Be close to people before you use them as a mentor or before you use them as anything. Because you don't know the kind of lifestyle that reputation of them carries. Carry dirty reputation. But out there, they will pretend to be a clean reputation. When the reputation that you are proving outside is dirty inside, you cannot cover it forever. Someone inner of your life, that from walking and to tell me, or to go name be street. Yeah. One day, fight can just fall up. That person will just bring it out. That person that is too close to you will prove. And you will be surprised that reputation, there's nothing like reputation in your life. There's nothing like dignity. There's nothing like anything self-value. But outside, you are proving it to the world, to people. It is when a man, somehow, we're just seeing what is going on Facebook nowadays. Like, nobody might not see what they go on between the two community, you know. When someone say they have reputation, I don't know what some people think and mean. What they think reputation is, just like they are using ambassador now. Ambassador supposed to be another vessel. You know, before you use that name ambassador, you're supposed to be like you are a brand to any place. So they take you as a brand to company or to. But nowadays, me, I can put ambassador on my page, ambassador Oduagbon. Some people now use what's it called? A pastor as a name. Carry pastor because they just start preaching in church. They call themselves. But normally before they start calling them pastor, calling anybody pastor, he or she have go to a pastoral school, study for it, and hear it before he deserves to be called that. Before you start to call yourself a lecturer, you are supposed to be a qualified professional lecturer that you have studied for. You know, I'm just making an example here. You don't just call yourself, I have a reputation, when you know your dirty lifestyle can come out one day. Nobody don't have dirty lifestyle, but people have it complete. Dirty lifestyle. That is when people will not see you as fake. Because everything is just so corrupt in your life. And you are there because musician, or because people sing with your name, because people sing your praise and thinking you are your own reputation. You think it really you deceive yourself. That people are deceiving themselves. Because they really know that they don't earn it. You don't earn it. You don't deserve it. That's what I mean. But if you don't earn it, you don't deserve it to say I have a reputation, because it's dirty reputation you have. You know, when just let me make an example of what is going on. It's just like a situation where you have a husband, or when you have a wife. You are still out there fooling yourself with chicken, let me say side chickens. And that alone can destroy you and your home. What kind of reputation do you have there? Reputation is decent. The kind of decent life you are living. That is what reputation is. Not a man that I have a woman at home, or mainly in the street. Not a woman that have a husband at home, or fuck around. That is, sorry for using that F word. Or misbehave around. Yeah, that's what I'm supposed to use. Sorry. Or misbehave around. And you wake up and say you have a reputation. Because you think people don't know now. And you still carry yourself like, I have a reputation. No. Don't carry yourself when you know that inside your inner life, you can't even control your home as a man. As a woman, you can't even cook. As a woman, you can't even, you are so dirty, you can't even wash armpits. Or you are the armpits, solo. As a woman, that kind of dirty lifestyle. As a woman, you talk, yeah. You carry this one, go give this one, carry this one, go give this one. You just confuse everybody. And you claim you have a reputation. Because they have not caught you red-handed. They have not seen that really deep lifestyle. Or some people see, but they can't really explain what they see. They can't really figure out what they see. You know, say, not all people get brain of sitting down and calculate who people really are. Like, there's some people that will just see you and talk to you for few months, few days, few weeks. They already know who you are. But not all people that have that wisdom, or let me call it, not those people, not all people that carry that kind of grace to quickly know who this person is and who this person is. But people like us will quickly calculate. If you are wise too, if you are brilliant, and if you are graceful, wisdom, you can still do same. We quickly, like, we are fast in calculating who this person is. That's what I mean. You know, when your reputation is not from your lifestyle, when it's not starting from your home, you don't even have any one reputation from your own, any self-dignity in your own home. And you think you are going to pretend to people outside to have it. One day, be one day. monkey go market, you know, go return. And they happen for Facebook nowadays. That's what is going on nowadays. When you call yourself a dignity woman, a dignity man, a dignity young lady, or a dignity single mother, you're supposed to hem it. You're supposed to hem it. You're supposed to like carry yourself, carry that self-respect for yourself. Carry that dignity inside you first, inside your own home. Carry that reputation, start it from your own lifestyle before taking it outside. Because of the way we are outside, a disgrace hero our a lifestyle it's only one and no good for inside. The rest is very good. And we will say but when all is dirty, huh? It's just like a single mother. And it's outside we are pretending to have a dignity, a reputation. Thumbs down. You don't have it. You don't have it. Your lifestyle is your reputation. It's not a name. It's the lifestyle you build for yourself. The decent life you choose to live that people will see in you. That is your reputation. That's what reputation stands for. What it stands for is your decent life. Your perfect, not your better life, not perfect. Nobody have a perfect life. Your better life. That is what reputation stands for. Don't go and be thinking reputation is a name. Don't be living dirty life inside and claiming you have reputation outside because you are pretending. You can't pretend forever. While you quoting as a man, we pretend here who womanize a lady here. Frustrating, we couldn't when no rubbish way at that particular time rock by my day away because of my can rock by lifestyle way no. But you still claiming you have reputation. You are dirtying your name out everywhere, dealing with anybody that come across you like secretly. Doing all sorts of rubbish to see money and you claim you have reputation. But one day we just burst out like a bomb. People will now say that you're not no way. So now we say so now pretend the meaning guy here we are singing praise ever since then. Am I get yourself? That is why your life will be so horrible then. People will now see you finish, and then they follow come. As a woman, your children are not well trained. Your children, we all see it around now. It's everywhere in Facebook, in social media. Those that always bring their children on social media, you can see it in some. When you baby for good 9 months to carry pregnancy, it's not easy. After delivering, you come and train. Then you not train them to be wayward. At the end, who is going to suffer? It is you. Those things are your reputation. Those things are reputation that will stand for you. The Bible said, train up a child the way they will grow up, and when they grow, they will not depart from it. Those are your reputation that stand by you. When you do things well, those are supposed to be your priority, your reputation, your pride, and your bold as a woman. Not when your children are so disaster. Not when your children are so left and right. Not when the dirty lifestyle that you're transferring into your children. In fact, they have started having it. Mama they bleach, child they bleach. Mama they do miniki. Child just start. Mama no get respect. Child just same thing. You go out there and said, I have a reputation. No, my people, that is not what reputation stands for. It is your self-dignity, how your inner life, the way, the decent life you are living, the clean of your own side, what people can learn for, the good part of your life, what people can learn for. That's what a reputation stands for. We are so clean environment, they are living so clean, they are living best life, rich. The children, they are so well organized. They are just the first child did not grow, they also invest like this. The second one, they learn the football. The third one like this. They are so well decent. They train their children well in ways of God. That's in godly way, in God ways. That's how they train their children. And the children is so respectful, and their children is so like this. The woman house is so like, it's like a paradise. It's not like some people will just rent or buy a old house. They will not use their hand to like clean it like it's snow. Then just like that, when people will now see things, good thing to talk about you, like that girl, since he did this area, no of this area boys don't ever toast me agree for them. Since this girl did this country, I never know whether she don't date rich two man before she marry. I never know whether she don't date rich one man, or maybe not this first man when she married, so now she ever date for this country. Or this person, since she did this time. This girl, you know, be like saying a young girl, you know, they do tally, you know, they smoke, you know, they talk lie. This person is so decent in all these ways. You know, they steal. You know, they come your house, say anything go lost. You know, they see your own thing, I die, put send me in the jealous. You know, they see you, this woman, you know, go see, say you wear lace, you go say, if you not buying, go die. Because of that, if you not confident buy and jealous, you go come. You never say you don't born, you don't marry, say you never marry, say you want die. Those are your reputations. Those are what a reputation stands for. What your reputation stands for. That is what your reputation stands for. Your reputation stands for all those things. It's not people that will not come and be singing the praise. Like, no go there, where you are. A woman or a girl or a brother or a daughter we are correct be always so we are he can't live with you. You can answer, you can answer, we can now answer argument say, I mean, roll this. I get time the seller. Can I answer argument say, I be name meeting. When people will not be calling your name like that, like, or cleaning baby, nana. Yeti we boy. Only reputation stand for. Hey, I carry boy with reputation name no any. Ario who deserve it. That's my topic. That's my message. I hope you get it right. Good night.